With today's lightweight components, torque wrench use is no longer an option, it's a must for every mechanic. With a range of 10 to 60 Newton meters, the Park Tool TW6.2 ratcheting click-type torque wrench is designed for repairs and installation in areas that use higher torque settings. The TW6.2 is both right and left-hand thread compatible. The dial adjust system is precise and easy to use. The included table allows quick conversions between Newton meters and inch pounds. And it comes with its own protective case.